All right, new at 5, AC units stolen.
Thieves ripping through a Clinton Township neighborhood overnight, working fast to get their hands on a number of air conditioning units.
The thefts affecting a number of families now without cool air just as the summer heat begins to rise.
7 News Detroit reporter Carly Petrus speaking with people in the area of 16 and Groesbeck who believe they know why their AC units were targeted.
There used to be an AC unit right here before thieves cut the wires and took off. The owner of this mobile home says she definitely heard commotion in the middle of the night, but she was too scared to come out and see.
This is what I woke up to yesterday.
An empty slab of concrete where her air conditioning unit used to be. Brianna Gauthier tells me she heard commotion around 2 a.m. Wednesday, but only noticed the massive unit was gone when she thought her AC was simply broken.
I call the maintenance and I'm calling them. I called them about 3 times and they weren't answering or calling me back. And then I'm sitting on my couch inside and I hear somebody outside. And I come out here and it's the maintenance guy and he's like, it's gone. I said, what's gone? He said, your AC unit.
And Gauthier says her unit wasn't the only one stolen at Rudgate Clinton Mobile Home Park.
That one, and then not this one, but the one next to it, they got that one. And then the one right before that blue one down there.
I spoke with another homeowner who tells me her AC unit was stolen too. Both victims believe they were targets for several reasons, including their units are newer and their homes back up to the main road, Little Mac Avenue.
I'm assuming they just took it over the hill because I don't have nobody behind me.
Unfortunately, since this happened behind their homes, security cameras didn't capture the crime. I reached out to Clinton Township Police, but it's unclear how many thefts of AC units they're investigating. I also reached out to property management about the stolen units. I have yet to receive a response.
I guess when people do things for a selfish thing, they don't tend to realize how many other people's lives it affects.
Gauthier says it's been so hot in her home that her toddler had to spend the night at her mother's house.
It was a very emotional night last night.
It sounds like we don't know who did this yet, but what would you like to happen to the people who did this?
Definitely I would like to see charges. I would like to see charges. I believe if you gotta go get the time. You do the crime, you do the time. That's how I view things.
In Clinton Township, Carly Petrus, 7 News Detroit.